Through the window of an eye I sail away. Silver tides whisper secrets in shades of gray. One side blooms in golden fire chasing the dawn. One side holds a quiet sea where dreams are drawn. Every petal is a memory, every wave a breath. Half is living, half is resting, dancing close to death. I blink and the shoreline bends, the horizon starts to run. Half the sky, half the sun. I see the world in pieces, yet it feels complete. Half the ocean, half the wheat. One side's burning, one side sleeps. I'm the keeper of both deeps. Paper boats drift on lashes made of sand. The moon paints ripples with a trembling hand. In the iris, there's a storm I cannot hide. Yet the sunflower keeps turning towards the light outside. Every shadow's just a doorway for the light to find its way. Every heartbeat pulls the night into the day. I blink and the moment fades, yet the story's never done. Half the sky, half the sun. I see the world in pieces, yet it feels complete. Half the ocean, half the wheat. One side's burning, one side sleeps. I'm the keeper of both deeps. Petals fall like seconds, drifting into years. Salt from the sea meets the warmth of tears. And somewhere between the dark and bright, the eye learns how to see without the fight. I see the world in pieces, yet it feels complete. Half the ocean, half the wheat. One side's burning, one side sleeps. I'm the keeper of both deeps. Half the sky, half the sun. I'm still sailing. Through the window of an eye I sail away. Silver tides whisper secrets in shades of gray. One side blooms in golden fire chasing the dawn. One side holds a quiet sea where dreams are drawn. Every petal is a memory, every wave a breath. Half is living, half is resting, dancing close to death. I blink and the shoreline bends, the horizon starts to run. Half the sky, half the sun. I see the world in pieces, yet it feels complete. Half the ocean, half the wheat. One side's burning, one side sleeps. I'm the keeper of both deeps. Paper boats drift on lashes made of sand. The moon paints ripples with a trembling hand. In the iris, there's a storm I cannot hide. Yet the sunflower keeps turning.